No intro, let's just do this. Firstly, download some presets. If you don't know where to get some from, I recommend Etsy, they have thousands. Then open up Lightroom, not Lightroom Classic. This is Lightroom, this is Lightroom Classic. Once you're in Lightroom, go to File, Import Profiles and Presets, navigate to where your presets are saved, select the zip file and press Import. Then click the little cloud icon in the top right hand corner and make sure that Lightroom is set to sync. Wait, press that subscribe button. Continue. Then launch the Lightroom mobile app. Select the photo you want to edit, scroll to the right hand side and select presets, and then you should see a list of presets including the presets that you just added. You can now add custom presets to your photos within Lightroom Mobile. Voila! If you enjoyed that video and you want to see more of my photos, then head over to my Instagram account @ChrisWatkinsMedia and let me know what you thought of this new, quick, snappy, straight to the point video tutorial. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again really soon.